And Subramaniam, Malaysians have been foremost in a lot of things. Okay, now I just came across this news today, but maybe for me it's a new one. But it was on published on 25th of August, close to around 2 months back. So Malaysia has launched a bank called Ryt Bank. Okay, there's an 100% AI powered bank. Okay, there's a mobile app as well, which focuses on which is completely on AI. Now, if you actually look into the scenario, okay, when the entire world is moving towards AI, doing a lot of other application, Malaysians have gone ahead, okay, releasing a complete AI-based banking for the public, okay. Now, whenever it comes to the banking, okay, there are multiple regulations that actually govern. Okay, in fact, Malaysia has got a lot of regulations with respect to the banking. Now, we need to look at multiple aspects of it. One is regulation with respect to the banking, okay, and regulation with respect to data protection. Okay, in fact, Malaysians have come up with the data protection in 2010. Okay, we all know about GDPR 2018, CCPA 2018. Okay, but the Malaysians started this almost 9 years back, okay, when compared to the GDPR and all the other regulations, okay. So they're foremost in coming ahead with the data protection law, okay. So Department of Personal Data Protection, okay, and Data Protection Act 2018, okay. In fact, it's a surprise for many. They're foremost in the Data Protection Act. Now, coming on to this, okay, and Malaysia does not have an AI Governance Act for the moment. Okay, in fact, none of the countries have got that except the European Union. European Union AI Act as of 16th of October 2025. European Union AI Act is the only governance act that is existing in the world. Okay, but the Malaysians have come up with national guidelines on AI governance and ethics. Okay, now looking at this particular bank, okay, it should be covered by the BFSI related regulations, okay, and the PDPC regulation, and following up the guidelines for the AI governance and ethics. Okay, trustworthy and responsible AI is what a general term actually is. So we need to see. Okay, now August 25. Okay, is just 2.5 months back. We need to wait and see. Okay, what all the implications, challenges, this bank has to face, if at all. I wish them all the best anyway. But the things are, because for the moment, okay, we have something called as an the Google Safe Security AI framework, and we have NAST Adversary Machine Learning, and we have OWASP Top 10 Vulnerability, and recently we have found the LLMs are prone for time of check to time of use attacks. Okay, it's called the race condition. Okay, now we need to actually wait and see for what all, because the threat landscape keeps on changing. The IT landscape also changing. Okay, a lot of the change is the only constant in the world. Okay, we need to wait and see what are the challenges. Okay, this bank should overcome. Okay, I wish them to overcome all that. Okay, because they have taken a bold decision. Okay, in coming up with a completely AI powered banking platform. Okay, wish you all the best, Right Bank, and way to go, Malaysia. Thank you.